Hello, this is Jennifer again. I just wanted to show you a place where you can find some really great statistical resources. On our Blue Search widget here, we have the tab that says Find Facts. If you click on the Find Facts, please know that we have some lower links that live underneath that talk about facts by subject, dictionaries, and statistics. The statistics link is pretty cool and inclusive. You'll see as you scroll down, you'll see the different areas of statistics that you can find. And we've put these all together. So if you do need things on a specific area, you can come here and look at what statistics are available. And these are all good quality websites that you can go to get good, reliable information. Now, a lot of times people don't realize what polling information is. So you'll see we're kind of scrolling through. Here's Illinois statistics. We have a lot of those statistics in here. But polling data it talks about public issues and it kind of gets like a look at what the numbers are. So one of my favorite places to go is the Pew Research Center. And you'll see that across the top, you can kind of look at all of these different little areas and that you'll see that there are publications and topics and interactives and data sets and fact tanks on all of these little things. So it's kind of fun to click on these and kind of say, okay, let's look at some interactives on social trends. So you'll see that they have them kind of divided up by year, and you can kind of click on one of these and look at some of these, the data that's coming up right here. So this is a good place to go. You'll see a lot of people kind of cite the Pew Research Center as one of their polling options and where they get statistical data. And then like the Gallup polls are here. So just know there are so many. I'm not going to take the time to go through each one and show them to you, but we just have so many. So all of these we've looked at and feel that they have good, reliable information. So don't ever hesitate to come to the SWIC Library website. You would want to look at the Find Facts tab, and on the lower portion of the Find Facts tab is where we have our links to our statistics that we've kind of pulled out for you. So that's a good place to explore and look at those websites and maybe review them and see which ones you like best.